Hi, this is Mark Cupp, Executive Director of the Lower Wisconsin State Riverway Board, with your weekly Riverway Report. It's Wednesday, July 20th. Taping inside today because of some rain, and looks like we're going to have fairly decent weather, but hot weather for the next few days. So if you're going to be out there, make sure that you stay hydrated, take plenty of water along on your river trip, and beware of these oppressive heat conditions. Take your time on the river, make sure you're cool enough, and if you have any health concerns or conditions, you might want to just think about it, because it's going to have heat indexes of between 100 and 110 for tomorrow, Friday, and it's still going to be warm through the weekend. River levels are looking just about normal for this time of year. In fact, yesterday was exactly dead on the normal flow based on the 100-year average at Muscadet. So there are plenty of sandbars out there, beautiful scenery, lots of wildlife. We've concluded the Voyager canoe trips for 2016, and we're just amazed at the number of eagles and blue herons and sandhill cranes and kingfishers and all kinds of other cool birds and turtles and everything else that you see on the river, not to mention the magnificent scenery. If you'd like to be on our mailing list for Voyager canoe schedule for next year, it's released in late May or early June, but you can contact our office at 1-800-221-3792 and indicate your desire to get on our email distribution list for that event. We usually do about 12 to 14 of those trips each year, kind of spread out from end of June to middle of July. And watch our Facebook page for some updates, and our website for Voyager Canoe Trips 2016. As far as other events going on this weekend, well, it just depends on where you want to go. You're going to find something to do. For regional events, go to travelwisconsin.com, and you can find out everything that's happening within a certain radius of wherever point you want to be. If you want to pick Muscadet and go within a 50-mile radius, you can find that out. If you want to say Prairie du Sac and 100-mile radius, whatever. It's a great search engine. Find out all kinds of events. Another place to look specifically along the Lower Wisconsin River Road Scenic Byway is scenic60.com, and you'll see information from Lodi to Prairie du Chien about community events and activities in the many small towns up and down the Lower Wisconsin River. As far as canoe camping, motorboat angling, etc., mentioned there's good water to get around, a little more challenging in your motorboat. Last weekend I saw a lot of fish being caught, walleye, smallmouth bass. Fish seemed pretty active. Cat fishermen were doing pretty good too. Sandbar camping in that stretch from Mazomanie to Spring Green, people were finding sandbars, setting up, camping, enjoying themselves, and the beauty of the Lower Wisconsin State Riverway. Remember, no glass containers. Make sure you bring plenty of water along. Always walk upstream on sandbars, and wear your life jacket. When you get to that sandbar, make sure that you're checking so you know where the drop-offs are. So if you have young children or non-swimmers, identify the safe places for them to be. And for young children, if they're going to be playing near the water, make sure they have their life jacket on. We want everyone to be safe out there, and we want to avoid bad experiences on the river. So if you have any questions about the river, give our office a call. Once again, that number is 1-800-221-3792. Visit our website, lwr.state.wi.us. You can send me an email at mark.cupp@wisconsin.gov. You can also visit the DNR website for information on the Riverway. So until next time, I hope to see you somewhere in the Lower Wisconsin State Riverway.